to approach detail. So this goes in here, and we show.
So are you careful to do every single one with a suggestion or no?
Every single one with a suggestion.
Okay.
And I would not, draw complete circles. Again, a suggestion. Just basically giving structure and some sort of explanation of what goes where. Going on, it does follows the direction. I'm just looking at my reference basically and doing what I see there. Every time I see something too organized, I try to break it up a little bit because it makes it too stiff looking, and the whole goal is to have a fun painting. So here, these are the holes, and maybe there is a little bit of it.